Our project consists of inviting the community to plant. We are doing it through posters pasted in the ciudad. I help with the development of the posters and the execution of the campaign.
Trees act against global warming because they absorb from air carbon dioxide gas with greenhouse effect properties, but also they provide other important environmental services. They provide food and shelter for insects and birds. They recover part of the native landscape. They also prevent the wind and water erosion. They purify the air in the cities. They slow the run of water from possible flooding. They also reduce noise pollution. They beautify our spaces and help to combat the heat island effect in cities. Every time you turn on light your computer, you move by car, bus or plane, you contribute to the emission of carbon dioxide at different levels. When this gas is released into the atmosphere, it traps solar heat and contributes to global warming. The trees naturally capture carbon dioxide from the atmosphere during photosynthesis and use it to form carbohydrates used in the structure of plants. While releasing oxygen as a derivative, it is considered that the trees act as what some call a carbon sink. Then they store in the air branches, trunk, leaves, and roots. On average, of every two medium-height trees capture about 1 ton of carbon dioxide during their first 50 years of life.
Global warming is primarily a problem of too much carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which acts as a blanket, trapping the heat and warming the planet. As we burn fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas, or cut down and burn an entire forest for plantations and pastures, we are accumulating carbon in the atmosphere, warming more and more our planet. There is a notable change in the temperature from today as from 50 years ago. A normal day in the 1950s, the highest temperature they can reach was above 10 degrees Celsius, and as is today, we can reach above 50 degrees Celsius.
So our project was to invite people to plant trees in our community, and I invite some girls in my community to help me to distribute notice, and we went to a park near of my house and we talked to people to get involved in our project, and finally we pasted posters on trees to make sure that all the community see them.
So our steps to make this project were, we made a poster on PowerPoint, then we pasted them on CF entrances areas with seeds on them, so each student can take one and plant them on soil. As a second step, we also created a web page on Facebook so we can get even more support there. And our team will be posting pictures of what we've been doing to make this project to be true. These pages represent the trees in the world that have been dying. Our main representative color is green, as the plant's color in earth. Here we can see our web page on Facebook, Planting a New Sky. This web page is designed to tell everyone and our followers what are we doing and to show them how our project is going on. As we can see, here we have earth and a plant. Such as I talked to you, here we'll be posting different images of what we have been doing, such as this image, Planting a New Sky STEM project. This is our poster that is pasted on the different areas that are on CDEPs. And thanks to this, we can get even more people included into this project. And this can improve our popularity and even paste some of these posters in some parks that aren't in CDEPs.